Hello, I'm Liviu Bolan and today I will show you how to fix SSH local environment problems. So let's get started. As you can see, here I'm having a Ubuntu virtual machine installed on VirtualBox, and this is a local operating system terminal that I will use to connect to my virtual machine through SSH. So I will type SSH Ubuntu VM to connect to my virtual machine using SSH. The next step, I will use sudo apt-get install, and then I will choose a package, let's say php5 dash memcache. Hit enter. Type the sudo password, press the Y key, and then, as you can see here, you will get a warning related to your locale settings. If you will research for what this means, these are local environment variables that they have some problems. If I connect directly to my virtual machine instead of SSH, now if I install a package here, let's say sudo apt-get install php5 dash gearman, hit enter, enter the sudo password, press Y, you will see that here no warnings are shown. Even I'm on the same operating system, but here I'm connected directly, and here I'm connected using SSH. So definitely there is a problem with SSH client or the server. So how can we fix this? If you look here, you will see a hint about this. Sitting locale failed. So if I type the locale command and hit enter, here I am able by using the locale command to get the locale specific information. So as you can see here, these are some environment variables, and as you can see here, I'm having a problem with a directory. If I'm using the same command here, locale, but directly on my virtual machine instead of using SSH, you will see here a different set of values. Most of them are English US UTF-8, but here, if I took for example TLC address, here I am having raw UTF-8, and here on my virtual machine directly I'm having English US UTF-8. So where this value come from? If I exit my virtual machine, and here if I type locale, because I'm on Linux Mint here, and I am able to use the same command on my on my host operating system, you will see here for the address that my locale is raw UTF-8. Now if I connect using SSH Ubuntu VM to my virtual machine and type the locale command again, you will see, for example, LC address row UTF-8, LC address row UTF-8. So the value for these environment variables came from my local operating system. So instead of using the locale from my local operating system, I want to use only my server or my virtual machine locale settings. So what I want to do is not to use the environment variables from my local operating system. So these variables shouldn't be, this variables content shouldn't be sent to my virtual machine. So to do this, I have to type sudo vi etc ssh d ssh d config. Type the sudo password, and here if I search for LC, here you will see this option, accept env lang lc underscore and this sign. So what does this means is that when you are connecting to your server or virtual machine, you are sending the lang and lc, the variables prefixed with lc, to the server. So I don't want to send any variables to my server through SSH, so I will comment this option, right quit, then restart the SSH service, sudo service ssh restart. And now if I exit and connect again to my machine, now if I use the locale command, I will see that all my values are English US UTF-8. Now if I install another package, let's say sudo apt get install php5-redis, you will see that no warning is shown here. So you may think about the accept env option in SSH server as a security problem, as you can saw a little earlier. If you want to learn, I hope that you enjoyed my tutorial. If you want to learn more about SSH, about web technologies, about Ubuntu Server, you can check out my tutorials on YouTube, and also visit my website liviubalan.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.